Hi, Kumar here, and the next trading component that we're going to study is the target component. Targets are simply where you will be exiting your position. Whenever you are going to enter a position, you will know exactly where you're going to exit your position at a profit. We're going to go over the specifics of this rule in the strategy section. Every professional trader always knows where they are going to exit their trade from the moment they put the trade on. Now the examples we're going to go through now are theoretical, so we can illustrate target points. So we've got this example here, and let's say that we want to enter as indicated when price goes above the black line. We want to place our stop as indicated if our entry is triggered. So if entry is triggered, we will be going long because we are buying the currency. Now let's just say that our target is as indicated. This is predetermined by our strategy, and we will go over this in the strategy section. But just to illustrate the target component, let's just say for argument's sake that our target is predetermined as shown. So we want to exit our long position at the target price, so we will be selling the currency when price reaches there. So now this is the same trade, and this is how the trade worked out. We did get triggered into our trade here, and we bought the currency. Our stop loss was at this price. Price then went up, and we sold when price got to our target level. So price did reach our anticipated target, so we exited the position, we sold the currency at a profit. Now let's look at this example. So we want to enter when price goes below the black line. We're going to place our stop if price triggers our entry, and we're going to be selling the currency there, so we're going short. Now for argument's sake, just to illustrate the target component, let's just say our target is as indicated. We want to be buying our currency there because we're going to be exiting our short position. So this is how the trade worked out. Our entry is triggered at this point right here when price comes lower than the black line. Our stop is placed here, and price then comes down, and we buy back our currency, meaning we exit our position when price hits our target line. So price did reach our anticipated target, so we exited the position, we bought back the currency at a profit. So that was simple enough. A target is just where we're going to be exiting our trade. And that is all predetermined in our strategy section. We'll go over the specifics of how to find our targets later on in the training. But right now I just want you to understand what a target is. Now let's see how well you've understood this concept. Click on the button below this video to start a targets test. This is Kumar, and I'll see you in the next video.